What up, YouTube? How's everyone today? We are on our way to a swap meet. That's right, guys. We're on our way to a motorcycle swap meet today, this morning on this Sunday, Super Bowl. So stay tuned, guys. I'm taking you guys along to a motorcycle swap meet to find some parts for the chopper, new chopper build that we're doing. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be there in 1 second. Alright, guys, we're back from after the motorcycle swap meet. Obviously, it was very small, so I did not stay long, and I didn't film too much because, like I said, it was super small. Filmed a little bit, but we do have the sun out, and I just want to give you guys a look with the garage door open of what the car is starting to look like with all the nice, clean engine bay, nice, clean supercharger, new alternator, new tensioner, new belt, green belt. Just give you guys a look. Starting to cut and fit everything, getting the radiator hose taken care of, figuring out how I'm going to run off the blow-off valve. On this kit, there is 2 blow-off valves. One goes here, goes from the top tube down here to here, and then there's one on underneath here of the intake. You guys can see that blow-off valve goes from there to underneath. You're not gonna be able to see it, but right here you guys can see right there, that's where the second blow-off valve goes. Like I said, guys, I think putting the supercharger and everything on was the simple part. Now I think this is gonna be the harder part. I know it sounds silly, but running hoses and making it look clean is way different than just bolting up a supercharger, you know, this simple. Obviously I want to make sure the lines are ran very clean, so that way when you pop the hood, it's super clean looking. It's not like, So I think it's just going to be a lot of work on doing that. But I just want to give you guys a quick update and just a quick look and show you guys. And obviously I'm working on, like I said, now that's just the small stuff is what's tedious. I got the radiator hose cut. I got the new piece that goes on it. So I gotta get that set up on it. And then, like I said, here's the second blow-off valve. The second blow-off, guys. Second blow-off valve. That goes underneath this one and attaches to the actual cooler. And then I have this one that actually attaches over here. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We're getting very close of getting this thing finished, even though there's still a long ways. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned. The auto show video is coming this Thursday night or Friday morning. Thanks for watching, guys.